Hello, hi friends. In this video we are going to learn how to create a Maven project into an Eclipse. So first, for that you have to launch Eclipse application. Like I have installed this. After that, you have to check that Maven plugins is installed into your system or not. If you are using latest version of the Eclipse like Photon or Oxygen, the Maven plugin is already installed into your Eclipse. And if you are using older version, you have to install the Maven plugin, friends. So let me show you. In marketplace, searched for Maven in find. It will take some time to load. So here you can see the Maven integration for Eclipse is already installed into my system, and it is present in Luna and newer version. After 1.5, all the versions of Eclipse contain this Maven integration plugin by default. But if you are using older than 1.5, you have to install this Eclipse from Eclipse marketplace. Okay, and if you have a latest version like Oxygen, Photon, it is installed in your system and in your Eclipse as well, so don't worry about that. So let's create a Maven project quickly. So I will go to file, new, and I will go to project. Okay, so here I have to search Maven. Here you can see two options: Maven module and Maven project. So select Maven project. Next, create. To do nothing here, just click on next. It is selecting Maven archetype quick start. It's okay. Next. Yes, so here you can give any group ID like Selenium my project. Given this group ID and artifact ID, you have to provide these two fields. They both are mandatory. So group ID and artifact ID, and everything else is fine. Just click finish. So you can see Maven project is getting created, and it's got created here. We have created Selenium my project right just now. So I will just quickly navigate you. So this is a 4-folder architecture you will get in Maven: Selenium main Java and Selenium test Java. So here you will have your Java code, and here you will have your test scripts if you are using Selenium. Okay, so a more interesting part of Maven project is pom.xml. So you can see in pom.xml we have one default dependency is already present. So JUnit dependency is already present here. So as we will run any Java program here, it will get run through JUnit. Means JUnit is a unit testing framework. You can I will create one separate video on that. Okay, so you can add as much as dependency you want into this pom.xml, right? So you have to just go into Maven repository, here, and you can get any dependencies as you want. Like if I want Selenium dependency, Selenium Java dependency, I will search here, I will go here, and I will copy. I will choose the version I want to install. Selenium Java version like 3.14.0 I choose. I will copy this field and I will enter here into my pom.xml. So you can see as soon as I will click on save button, it will start downloading these jar files from the Maven repository. So this is a basic startup of your project. So in this way you can set up your Maven project. So thank you friends, I will see you in next video.